Hello guys, quick question. Perfect snack ba hanap mo? Then, check mo na din tong Mr. Squirrel Mixed Nuts. Kalimutan na ang unhealthy chips. Seriously, they don't even compare. Tong mixed nuts is the real deal. It got perfect mix of crunchy nuts, sweet dried fruits, and yummy seeds. Sobrang sarap at healthy. Ang pinakagusto ko pa dito, sobrang convenient. Pwede mong ilagay sa bag at may instant energy ka na on the go. And wherever you go. Sa gym, sa office, or kahit nasa bahay ka lang. Plus, it's packed with all the good stuff. Meron siyang protein, fiber, healthy fat. So, pwede mong kainin anytime nang walang guilt. So, kung hanap mo ay perfect snack, dito ka na sa Mr. Squirrel Mixed Nuts. Grab yours and